Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. I'm also the host of the Human Kaizen podcast, available wherever you happen to listen to your podcasts. September 2nd. Never help a child with a task at which he feels he can succeed. Maria Montessori. You know, the job of a father is to protect and provide primarily. But the third P is prepare. Prepare your kids to not need you. Prepare your kids to survive and thrive in the world. Prepare your kids or mentees to be their own people and be better than you. Prepare them to face the future. As the Boy Scouts teach, be prepared. Help prepare them to replace you in work and the world. Teach them to be excellent. I'm Joe Templin. Be excellent and grow today.